All right, I'm going to give you a tip that they love to test on exams, but they don't give you as much as homework. So it's a little sneaky on exams. So the standard limit of this thing here, what is this? Does this thing ring a bell at all for you? You need to know it because that is the definition of the exponential. So that's going to come up for sure. So let's use it as in a small example right here. So you can see what it's like, how it's used. So here's the example for limit as x goes to infinity of this thing here. What does that equal to? So you need to be able to see this and know basically right away what that is. Basically right away. So it matches the form that we were talking about initially very closely. It's got in ours, we have a minus instead of a plus, and then we have a 2 instead of a k. Well, that's pretty easy. That just makes it so that k is equal to minus 2. So that's the definition of what e to the minus 2 is. So you might be asking, well, why am I asking or why am I talking about this particular question? The answer is, this is an exam question. This is from, if we scroll up here, it says the 2021 fall final. It's a variation. I've made this different than the actual question, but it's very similar to the question from the 21 fall final. You might ask, well, okay, how do I get to this question if you want to follow along with that? It's pretty easy actually. So you just click up here. Here's a little mouse, click up here. This is the home page, and I'm just scrolling down to go to Math 141 because I'm working on an example from Math 141. Now, I was searching through the tags feature, so you can search by the course outline here, but I like to go to tags. Sometimes I use all the features and then type in here, and I gotta move my little face here. And I'm just going to type in exponential. There we go. Because I was searching for something like that. I think maybe I need to take off that space. And then we get here, limits, definition of exponential. I was clicking into that tag, and that's where the question came up. So I'm not going to go through the whole question here, but I wanted to show you where it was so you can go through and see an example of an exam question that uses this exact type of hidden gem, I will call it. And so as you can see, the walkthrough is extremely long. And yeah, I will let you search through there and enjoy.